Hey guys, it is me, Simone. In this video I have a haul from Dollar Tree, Tuesday Morning, and Barely Art. So let's go with Barely Art since it's like a big old package. I just ordered this, I don't know, like a couple of days ago, I think. So basically there's this new glue on the market. I saw a couple people like do a box opening and stuff for it. So that's what the packaging looks. It has this cute little bear on here. It says Barely Art, and it's precision craft glue. So basically they made, they're gonna make more supplies based on what they mentioned on their website, but they said they saw a gap and they wanted to fill the gap. So, well, it's not as pretty as the other girls. But so let me just take everything out and I'll move this stuff on the floor. So it came with 2 cards. So it kind of goes and tells you basically what your tips are. So you have ultra fine tip, the fine tip, and the storage tip. And then it tells you how to clean, use the cleaning pen after each use, and then you can join their newsletter and then their crafty club and get new ideas. So basically this is the glue that you use, and that's where all the nibs and attachments kind of connect to, and then your little cap here, and then this is your refill. So I got this because how much you get, this is a 4 fluid ounces and 11 fluid ounces, and you get this cute little bear, which I think would be so cute. Once you use all the glue, you can fill him with sequins. He could be sent in a Happy Meal. I mean, he's heavy too. Now I like this glue because I like it because it can get cold. So if you don't know, regular glue cannot get cold. It can't get below a certain temperature. So you really can't buy that glue during the winter time, because once it gets really cold and almost freezes, it's like not useful anymore. There are warnings on it when you buy it. You should not buy it during winter. You should buy it like in the summer and then stock up for the winter. But I wanted to get this glue because it does say on here, it says, we design our glue to stand out. It's non-toxic, created more, refill less. It dries clear, hides messes, precision tip, fine control, multiple tips, more choices, flexible, resists cracking, wrinkle resistant, clump resistant, stays smooth, design tough, strong hold, design durable, long lasting, thaws if frozen, use all year, which is what kind of enticed me to try that, because you know, sometimes you get a little scared, you're gonna run out of glue, and then you can't order the glue for, like, depending on where you live. For me, I live in the south, so it's a little warmer, but we've been having a lot of cold, rainy fronts come in, so it does be, it's like a little frustrating. But right now, I'll leave a link below, but it's 24 bucks, and it's free shipping, since they just opened up. It's like a free shipping launch. So it's $24.99, free shipping, and then you pay the tax on this. So awesome. I think free shipping is US only for now, so I don't know if they do international, but I'm excited. And you get this cool storage, this cool tip here, and then you can add the different frame. Here you go. And then you have all these cool tips, and that's so cool. They include a storage tip. So this is the green tip. It's called a storage tip. So there's no hole here. So when you're done using like your fine tip and your ultra fine tip, you can use this tip and you don't have to switch out the caps every time you want to do something different, which I think is awesome. And then your nice long needle to clean out your tips when you're done. I think it's awesome. And I'm gonna have that next to me. So I'm excited that came here. That's all I got from them. Next, we're going to move over to Tuesday Morning. I got 3 items. I Haven't been Tuesday morning in a long time, and I did that on purpose because I wasn't trying to buy anything. So I got this embossing folder, and it's like leaves, fall leaves. So you see the pattern, there you go. It's really like sketchy and kind of rough. I really love the design. Hold on, see if you can see it better. So that's the design it makes. I think it's really pretty, guys. So I got that one. It's only $1.49. I got this Easter stamp set, the Excellent stamps from Bo Bunny, and it was $2.99. I don't really have any Easter stamps, so I thought I'd get this a try and make some cute projects with these. And it comes with like little feet and ears and Easter grass, glasses, a flower, and a bow. So I'm gonna play around with that. That sounds fun. And they had some wrapping paper. I've seen this a while for like around and stuff. And so we have wrapping paper. This is a Maggie Holmes Willow Lane wrapping paper. There's so much you can do with wrapping paper. So I got this, and instead of getting, I started to put the camera, instead of getting pattern paper because I don't need any more. So it comes with like the same pattern, like repeated. That was really nice. I don't have any of the Willow Lane collection because I really didn't like it. But there's some cute patterns in here. I like these patterns here. I was tempted to get another paper pad, but I was like, no, you don't need it, Simone. Don't do it. And that's all I got from Tuesday morning. Okay, next thing I got is Dollar Tree. I have a project coming up, a video I have ideas for, and so I'm so excited. I got some birthday cards, or just some cards in general. So I have this one here, this one, the glare is forever bad, this one, this one, and I have a project that I'm going to show you using some of these cards. Random scissors on my desk. Next thing I got is some of these envelopes. So I have this one and this one. The size is 6x9 and this one's 9x12. So I just have these envelopes here. It's a 6 and a 5 pack. And the last thing I got, I couldn't resist. I was like walking out of the store. Of course I dropped one of them. I was walking out the store and I saw these in the corner of my eye. I was like, what are those? It's wrapping paper. I don't know why I'm in a wrapping paper mood, but you guys can't see it. But you see, you can kind of see it. Like, look at the patterns. Look at the patterns. I'm gonna light that a little bit out of the way. Look at the pattern. It has this cute bicycle all over it. It is so cute. I got that one. Okay, I got this flower one. Move it slowly so you can see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then I got this striped one here, and you can use this for happy mail or have some projects in mind. I'm going to show you guys what I do with this later, but I'm so excited for those. $1. Alright, that's my haul. Now that's all I bought, actually. I said I wasn't buying much. I was not joking in my video I made with my scrap. The shop I didn't hop, scrapping made sample haul. I'm not really trying to buy a lot. I mean, especially after this process of moving into this room and organizing, I'm telling you, not lying, there's been moments where I know I need to stop because I feel like I want to just burn everything and then start over. Just start over, because it's just so much. Gosh, but yeah, so I just take a break because I'm clearly, you know, having decision fatigue, and I need to take a break because I'm losing my mind. But that is everything. Much love, guys, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day and go crafty. Bye.